In today's free online video editing tutorial, I will show you the best iPhone app for enhancing audio quality while recording.
This is the test for the iPhone app video. This is the test for the iPhone app video.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Step 1 is drag the audio that you want to use onto the timeline, and this is what this sounds like.
This is the test for the iPhone app video.
Now, in order to get this piece of audio that you want, go under Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and search up Voice Record Pro in the search bar. This currently works for iPhone, but you can also search this up if you have an Android device. It has a 4.7 rating, and I have been using this for over 5 years. Once downloaded, click the app and wait for it to load. Under the recording settings, you will have different or multiple options. These 3 options will dictate if the file size is larger or smaller and whether the audio quality sounds good, better, or best. You choose. In this case, I'm going with this option. Record your audio track. Click as it complete. Rename the file by dragging below and typing in whatever you want. And a bonus is to transfer this onto your computer or PC without any cords or using the Wi-Fi. Click this icon. Type in the numbers that you see on the screen under the Google URL. Click enter. Locate the video file and click download. And once you have your audio file, go under to effects, type bass, type treble, and type hard limiter. And once all 3 of those audio presets have dragged, click effect controls, make the bass 5, the treble 10, and under the hard limiter, click edit, and move the first slider until it says -5. And this is the before.
This is the test for the iPhone app video. Enhance my voice while recording.
And this is the after.
This is the test for the iPhone app video. Enhance my voice while recording.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.